Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to apply free themes to your Samsung Galaxy. Samsung Galaxy Theme Store has tons of free themes that can completely change your phone's look. So from icons and wallpapers to quick panel and keyboard style. So if you're not into customizing, you can go ahead and just visit this theme store and you can go ahead and download the themes that you like for free, and this will basically customize your wallpaper and your icons together. So let me show you how to access this. So first, go ahead and long press on the home screen. Tap on themes here. This will take you to the Galaxy Theme Store. So here you can see that they're all paid themes. However, if you go ahead and scroll all the way down, you'll see something called must have free themes. So these are all the trending themes right now which are available on the store. However, they're free. So when I'm going ahead and browsing through these, I like one of these. So for example, this one here. So I'm going to go ahead and apply this. So to apply this, I'll go ahead and tap on update. Now I'll tap on apply. Now this will apply that theme to my Samsung Galaxy device. So as you can see, this is just one tap and it's applying to your phone. So it's applied the wallpaper and it's applied the icons as well. Quick panel menu has also been updated. So this gives your phone a unique personality. So many themes are totally free, so you can refresh your style anytime. It changes your system-wide design like icons, settings, and notification panels, and they all match the theme on your phone. So there you go, guys. That is how to apply the free themes to your Samsung Galaxy device.